Homemade facial moisturizers can be good for those with sensitive skin because they contain more natural ingredients than non-prescription moisturizers. They help protect us from the elements, like winter winds and salty sea spray, nourish dry skin, and soothe skin irritations. The article even mentions how these oils may improve skin elasticity, which keeps wrinkles to a minimum. Homemade beauty products, while they might be fun and cost-effective, still come with their own risks. The main concern is that they are not safe in the sense that they haven't been tested or made under usual beauty product standards. This could cause allergic reactions and lead to problems once applied to skin. Today in this video, I will share how to make homemade moisturizer. At first, you will need 2 tablespoons of aloe vera gel, 1 tablespoon of rice water, and 1 tablespoon of raw milk. Mix these ingredients until to get smooth paste. Apply on your face after your skincare is done. You can leave rice water on your face overnight to reduce pimples and blemishes. Mix rice water with natural aloe vera gel to hydrate your skin. It will effectively calm the acne and pimples, leaving skin smooth and supple. You can try retinol products for anti-aging skin problems. You can also mix aloe vera, raw milk, and rice water to make yourself a skin-lightening DIY moisturizer. This face pack will help to get that even skin tone that you have been vying for, and will leave your skin rejuvenated. A regular use of the body milk with aloe vera and rice water helps to delay the appearance of wrinkles and to tone up the skin. Its therapeutic and soothing properties make its use ideal after hair removal, relieving the irritated skin. Moreover, it also naturally acts as a UV filter.